Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel Financeable. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to view the transaction history in your Bitget wallet. Now let us begin. Well, as you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. Now let's simply look at how to view the transaction history. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply click on your profile picture right here, right next to the search button. Click on it. Once you do, these things will open up. As you can see, there are lots of options, but right now what you need to do is simply focus on this asset button right here. Click on it, and that is it. Simply go to Assets Overview. Once you are in the Asset Overview page, well, as you can see, there are lots of options on the left hand side, and right here, this is the thing we are looking for that says Transaction History. Click on it. Now from here, you can look at the spot records to earn records. Simply select whatever you wish, and guys, that is it. From here, you can simply view your transaction records. That's the gist of it, guys. That's how we view the transaction records in Bitget Wallet. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.